Hello friends, welcome to Idiot's Diary. My name is Mahesh Shitlani and today we will start a new screencast series for web developers, especially for beginners. In this series, we will learn HTML from scratch. So let's start with Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 at W3C. W3C stands for World Wide Web Consortium. It is an organization founded by Tim Berners-Lee. The latest version of HTML is HTML5. HTML is used to create web pages, especially static web pages. Now the question is, what is the web page? So, web page is a simple text document that is displayed by the browser. Now the question is, what is the browser? So browser is simply a software used to access the web pages. Popular browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and Opera. Web pages can be of two types. First is static web page and second is dynamic web page. Static web pages are those which do not change automatically, need to change manually. But on the other side, dynamic web pages are those which can change automatically by using a program running in background. For example, if you create a web page and write today's date and save it, after 10 days you will get the same date you have written. This kind of pages is called static web pages. On the other hand, if you write a program to get the current date and show it, then it always show the current date. Here the date change automatically. This kind of web pages is called dynamic web pages. HTML is only used to create static web pages. There are so many languages available to create dynamic web pages. For example, PHP, Java, ASP, Python, and many more languages are available to create dynamic web pages. HTML is written with the help of tag. Tag is the smallest unit that can be understood by the browser. Tag is written with the help of angular brackets. Tag can be of two types. First is pair tag and second is empty tag. Pair tag is the combination of opening tag and closing tag. As you can see in the slide, closing tag is written with slash, whereas opening tag does not. The combination of opening tag, closing tag, and content between them is called element. On the other side, empty tag is no need to close. And finally, we will discuss HTML page structure. Each HTML page can be divided into two main sections. First is head section and second is body section. Head section contains title, script, style, meta tags, etc. If you do not know about these tags, then don't worry, we will discuss in our next videos. Body section actually contains the content what you see on the website or on your web page. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.